Welcome back to our chapter-by-chapter summary of the power of your subconscious mind. Today, we're diving into Chapter 20, How to Train Your Subconscious Mind for Success. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy shows us how to intentionally train our subconscious mind to achieve success and prosperity in every area of life. Dr. Murphy explains that success begins with belief. If you believe that you can succeed, your subconscious will work tirelessly to make that belief come true. To train your subconscious for success, start by affirming, "I am successful in everything I do, and success comes easily to me." Visualization is another crucial tool. Imagine yourself already achieving your goals. Visualize the success you desire in vivid detail. Feel the emotions of accomplishment, joy, and fulfillment. Dr. Murphy also recommends using mental imagery to program your subconscious for prosperity. Picture yourself living the life you want, whether it's financial abundance, career success, or personal happiness. The more you visualize this success, the more your subconscious mind will believe it and work towards making it a reality. Another key aspect of training your subconscious is to persist in positive thinking. Even when faced with challenges, continue to feed your mind with empowering thoughts. Your subconscious doesn't respond to temporary circumstances. It responds to your consistent beliefs. The key takeaway: your subconscious mind is the key to your success. By affirming your goals, visualizing your success, and maintaining positive thinking, you train your subconscious to bring your dreams to life. That wraps up Chapter 20. In the next chapter, we'll explore how to use the power of your subconscious mind to achieve your ultimate desires. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't miss the next exciting chapter.